Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of my video, and for today's video we are doing a buffet here in Mandarin Restaurant. This Mandarin Restaurant is one of the well-known buffet restaurant across Ontario, and we are here to celebrate my friend's birthday as well as a Chinese New Year. And this restaurant offers a dim sum festival because of the Chinese New Year, and it's been a long time we haven't been here, so that's why we tried most of their dishes and we really enjoy it a lot. So if you haven't been here to this restaurant, I suggest you should come here at least once in a lifetime to experience this good dining. And here I am. I'm just enjoying my food with my friend and our bonding together. At the end of our meal, they gave us a fortune cookie as well as a lucky coins and a cotton candy. Thank you for watching.